You know that feeling when you're at the dentist, they're taking those x-rays and you're trying to decipher the look on their face?
It's pretty common anxiety, isn't it?
Like, are those my teeth they're looking at? Is that a shadow or a cavity the size of Texas?
We trust dentists to interpret those images and tell us what's going on, but even the most experienced eyes can miss subtle details.
Exactly. And that's what makes this research so intriguing. You shared an article about using AI to help dentists read those x-rays better.
Precisely. This study delves into a specific type of AI called a deep learning algorithm.
Basically giving them a superpower when it comes to spotting problems.
Imagine feeding a computer thousands upon thousands of dental x-rays, each one labeled with the specific issues present: cavities, bone loss, the whole shebang. That's what they did here.
Okay, let's unpack this. They trained the AI on 6 specific dental anomalies, right?
Yes.
So it's not just looking for one specific thing. It's trained to spot a whole range of potential dental dramas.
They focused on caries, so sort of cavities, apical lesions, which are infections at the tip of the tooth root, defects in root canal treatments, marginal defects in crown restorations, periodontal bone loss, and calculus.
But how did they actually test if this AI dentist was any good?
Well, they brought in the humans, 7 dentists to be exact. Each dentist examined a set of x-rays twice. The first time was the old-fashioned way, just them and the x-ray. Then in the second round, the AI got involved. It analyzed the same x-rays and highlighted areas it thought were suspicious.
Sneaky. Did the dentists know when the AI was helping out?
Nope. They kept it a secret to make sure the dentists weren't biased in their assessments. This way, it's a true test of whether the AI genuinely makes a difference.
So it's like we've got a blind taste test, but for dental x-rays.
Yeah, kind of like that.
That's a clever way to test it out, though. Did the AI pass?
Oh, it did more than pass. The results were actually quite remarkable.
Okay, give us the juicy details. Spill the dental tea.
When the dentists used the AI, their ability to correctly identify real problems on the x-rays, we call that sensitivity, shot up from an average of 60.7% to 85.9%.
Wow, that's a significant improvement. That's like going from needing glasses to suddenly having Superman's x-ray vision.
It's a huge leap for sure. And here's the even better part. Their ability to correctly identify cases without problems, that's called specificity, only dipped slightly. So it wasn't flagging everything as a potential issue. It was just really good at finding the actual problems.
This is giving me flashbacks to that time. I was sure I had a cavity, but it turned out to be a stray poppy seed. Imagine the relief of knowing your dentist has this extra layer of accuracy.
Exactly. And this wasn't a fluke just for one specific problem. This held true across all 6 of those dental anomalies: cavities, bone loss, you name it.
So what does this all mean? Are we saying goodbye to human dentists and hello to robot overlords with tiny dental picks?
Not quite, but in all seriousness, this research points to a future where AI isn't replacing dentists, but empowering them.
Okay, I am on board with the AI sidekick, not overlord scenario. What are some of the real-world implications here?
Well, think about it earlier, and more accurate diagnoses could mean less invasive treatments down the road. Catching a tiny cavity early could save you from a root canal later. It could also be a game changer for areas with limited access to specialists. An AI-assisted dentist could potentially identify issues that need a specialist's eye more efficiently.
Less drilling and more peace of mind.
Yeah, I'm with you.
That's definitely something I can get behind.
Right.
But this AI seems almost too good at its job.
I know, it's impressive.
If it's this accurate with dental x-rays, where else could this technology make waves?
That's the really exciting part.
I'm ready for the next big thing.
This study focused on dentistry, but the implications extend far beyond your pearly whites.
All right, so bigger picture time.
Imagine this level of accuracy applied to other types of medical imaging.
Wow.
Detecting early signs of cancer, analyzing CT scans for subtle fractures. The possibilities are pretty much endless.
It's like giving doctors a superpower, too.
It is pretty cool.
Not to mention the potential for faster diagnoses.
Yes.
And maybe even personalized treatment plans based on what the AI detects.
That's a great point.
It's pretty mind-blowing.
Absolutely. This is just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to AI in healthcare.
I can't wait to see how it develops.
It's a rapidly evolving field.
And this research gives us a glimpse into a future where technology helps us live healthier lives.
Exactly.
Well, there you have it. AI dentists might not be cleaning your teeth just yet, but this research shows they could be playing a crucial role in your dental care very soon.
Indeed.
So to wrap things up, it sounds like AI has the potential to revolutionize dentistry, making diagnoses more accurate and hopefully our experiences in the dentist chair a little less stressful.
That's the hope.
And who knows, maybe someday we'll look back and wonder how we ever lived without it.
It's really hard to say how things will change in the future, but it's an interesting thought.
So there you have it, a deep dive into AI and the future of dentistry.
Thanks for joining us.
Thanks for listening.